what you need. Should be enough to go around.
Ooh, mine. Ah, good. Ammo.
They're smashing through the walls!
Take him out! Target acquired. Suppressing.
Dad, what's the plan here?
We gotta get to my truck.
Trust me, you won't get away so easy this time.
God damn it! I just tuned it up! All right, new plan. Take out that Kestrel!
That's what I remember.
Take it easy on the house!
Yeah! You almost got her!
God damn it!
Gotcha! Uh-oh. Oh, boy.
Well, shit.
So, Dad, the COG is still after us, your truck just blew up, and the house is on fire. Is there a plan B?
Yeah, there's a plan B, but it's down in the cellar. Grab some ammo and let's get out of here.
Citizens, you are in an illegal area. Engaging. Unlawful citizens acquired.
Come on, downstairs.
Commence detainment.
Clear him out. Gotta get to the cellar.
Unlawful citizens acquired. Reloading weapon.
Hey!
Throwing frag! Guys, this place is coming down!
Downstairs, go!
Oh, that was close.
Dad, what are we doing? This is a dead end.
Not anymore.
Build an escape tunnel out of your own house.
Just follow me.
Why the hell did you build this?
For emergencies. I'd say this counts.
Yeah, well, you could have finally fixed up the outside instead.
Lot of good that would have done now.
Guys, stop it. How about we talk about, well, I don't know, the monsters that just ran off with all our friends?
As soon as we get out of here, we'll deal with that. Now, come on. With any luck, Jin will think we didn't make it out of the house.
She's still gonna sweep the property.
Then we'll handle it.
Holy shit.
As I said, Welcome home. All right. Looks like we lost him. Let's cut through the garden.
Definitely did lose him. Condor incoming!
Another Shepherd destroyed!
Reloading. Unit engaging. Unit relocating now. Detaining the targets acquired. Reload initiated.
Another dead bot! Another dead Shepherd!
Contact.
That heavy! Zombie is coming in!
Defiance not advised. Defiance noted. Footage of your defiance has been logged and uploaded.
Shut up!
Antisocial behavior will not be tolerated.
You're out! We don't want this! Target down!
All right. Through the greenhouse.
Dad, where the hell are we going?
To the barn.
And where's that?
The other side of the estate. I'll take that.
There's a dropship!
Shit, they're gonna mess up my fucking tomatoes!
Potential hostile target spotted.
Come on, let's keep moving. Just follow the path.
Everyone, back to the greenhouse, now!
No, the barrel shed is better shelter. We're almost there. All right, get inside.
A little help here? Ah, shit! Drop pods! Take cover!
DP Shepherd deployed. Hostile contact spotted.
Guardian coming in!
Comply with our reasonable request. Enabling target spotted.
One dead DB!
Cease and desist immediately. Hostile contact.
That's all of them.
First my tomatoes, now this.
Dad, this wind flare's not letting up. We gotta move.
No, we hunker down here. Wait it out.
Wasn't this building a little wooden?
It'll hold.
Are you sure about that?
It'll hold. Shit!
Condor, coming in!
And Condor going down! Not a goddamn word. Time to go.
Like that. Get on the other side.
Come on.
Initiating relocation. Detainment systems offload.
Ugh. These things give me the goddamn
Vehicles
creeps.
must give
I remember when DBs were just glorified garbage collectors. I said my piece when the Shepherds went online. Didn't help. Heads up! More DBs!
unlawful citizens identified.
Oh, goodbye!
Unit reloading.
Another dead Shepherd!
Unit engaging. Unlawful citizens required. Surrender and prepare for detainment.
So how many of these bots does Jin have? See that windmill? That's where we're headed.
I thought we were going to a barn.
We are. They're right next to each other.
Is this your family's estate, Marcus?
No. It belonged to my late wife's family.
Mom loved it here. I'm just glad she didn't have to see any of this.
That makes two of us. Come on, we're almost there.
I forgot how big this place was.
Yeah, well, it's getting smaller by the moment.
Hey, you hear that?
Castro!
Having fun, James?
Sure, why? Aren't you?
Oh, it's always good to see you.
These two always like this?
He's usually more yelling.